attended specifically the Minorities in Franchising workshop at the Expo. I was blown away because there are people that were talking about marketing. There are people talking about how you can get funding for your franchise. There were actually, a franchise company there to actually talk about how you can work within a proven system. And that was phenomenal because number one, you're listening to experts on where you can get the funding. There are different ways that you can get loans through different entities and people that can be able to help you. And then you're learning about the marketing aspect and how that as a franchisee, that helps to scale and grow your business because they're doing all the work for you. Like as a business owner, you don't have to worry about that. And that is something that's just been so phenomenal, and not having to worry about because you have a team that's dedicated for your marketing. And at the workshop, it became, it dawned on me that this is what I need to be a part of because everything is there. The workshop provided all the information that I needed to get the funding, how to market, how to scale, how to grow. And it actually connected me with a specific franchisor that I can touch and then I can, get to know and ask them questions. And eventually I became a franchisee of Wisdom Senior Care. So it was just phenomenal. So from the bottom of my heart, I just want to thank Socially Buzzed, number one, for being intentional and seeing the need and seeing the impact and seeing the purpose that bringing a collaborative group of people to speak about franchising and what is franchising and the importance of franchising, especially in the Black community, because this is not happening. Like this concept is unknown to us. So thank you, Socially Buzzed, for putting it together. Thank you to Wisdom Senior Care, for being a part of this movement of being in the forefront of being Black owned franchisors in the home care space, because that's something that's mind blowing because they're the only one as well. And so this event, just from the bottom of my heart, thank you, because I can honestly say I am happy and honored and blessed to be a part of a franchise system. And if it wasn't for this event, I wouldn't be here right now.